Morning, everybody. I am Councilmember Ryan Alter here to celebrate Adrenal Disease Awareness Month. Every April we recognize National Adrenal Disease Awareness Month and the individuals living with these diseases in our community and across the country. Adrenal diseases, including Addison's disease, Cushing's syndrome, congenital adrenal hyperplasia, and others, affect at least 1 in 100,000 people in the United States, although the exact number isn't known because they are difficult to diagnose. Symptoms of adrenal diseases vary significantly and can include fatigue, weight loss or gain, muscle weakness, high blood pressure, and more. In response to these ailments and the lack of shared public knowledge, the National Adrenal Disease Foundation was formed in 1985 to provide guidance and information about life with adrenal insufficiency. Today, NADF.us remains the primary source, .us, remains the primary source for information about adrenal diseases. As many in our community face adrenal disease today, we are honored to be able to take some action to raise awareness each April. So I want to take this moment to recognize Vanessa O'Rourke with the National Adrenal Awareness Foundation and have her say a few words.
Thank you. On behalf of NADF and all those living with adrenal disease, I just want to say thank you so much for allowing us this opportunity to share a bit more about why awareness is so important. I was diagnosed with Addison's disease 9 years ago, right here in Austin. Addison's disease is the complete destruction of the adrenal glands, rendering them unable to produce the necessary hormones your body needs to survive. I'm now steroid dependent and susceptible to an adrenal crisis, which can be fatal at any time. Upon my diagnosis, I didn't know anything about adrenal glands, let alone my new condition. Through my own research, I found NADF and the Austin support group. And I was eager to connect with others who understood some of the challenges I was going through. At my first meeting, I discovered that my endocrinologist had only prescribed half of the necessary medicine I needed to survive and had not provided an emergency injection kit. It was due to this support group that I was able to finally receive proper care, knowledge, and support for my lifelong condition. Since then, I've become a patient advocate with NADF and help individuals living with adrenal disease every day. People continue to have trouble receiving a diagnosis, proper care, or treatment during emergencies, leading to many unnecessary deaths. This is why creating awareness is so important. So thank you, Austin, for this proclamation for adrenal disease awareness, which will undoubtedly save lives right here in our own community.
And with that, I get the great pleasure of reading our proclamation. Here, I'll let you hold on to it here. So, be it known that whereas adrenal diseases affect millions of individuals worldwide, impacting their health and quality of life, and whereas these diseases include but are not limited to Addison's disease, other forms of primary and secondary adrenal insufficiency, Cushing's disease or syndrome, congenital adrenal hyperplasia, adrenal cancer, and
pheochromocytoma.
Very much. Phone a friend on that one. And whereas adrenal glands situated atop the kidneys play a vital role in producing hormones such as cortisol, aldosterone, and epinephrine, which regulate crucial functions necessary for life. There's a reason I didn't go into medicine, including metabolism, immune response, blood pressure regulation, and stress management. And whereas adrenal diseases are rare, difficult to diagnose, and require lifelong treatment. And whereas many hospitals, emergency facilities, doctors, and medical professionals are not familiar with the proper care to treat an adrenal crisis, and many individuals with Addison's disease die regularly simply due to lack of knowledge and treatment. And whereas raising awareness about adrenal disease is crucial to promoting early detection, proper diagnosis, and effective treatment. And whereas the National Adrenal Disease Foundation, or NADF, is committed to individuals affected by adrenal disease to enhance their quality of life. And whereas NADF operates an Austin support group to assist individuals and families impacted by adrenal disease in our community. And whereas, in addition to this proclamation, Austin City Hall will be illuminated blue tonight, April 10th, to help signify April as Adrenal Disease Awareness Month. And whereas for more information about Adrenal Disease Awareness Month, you can visit the National Adrenal Disease Foundation at nadf.us and email nadfsupport@nadf.us. So, now, therefore, I, Councilmember Ryan Alter, on behalf of the Mayor of the City of Austin, do hereby proclaim April 2025 as Adrenal Disease Awareness Month in Austin, Texas.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Let's take a photo. We can scoot over here.
Wonderful. And there we go.